Okay, so this is the heater I bought a little while ago. It was only 25 bucks. It won't keep me steady. Like you can see, my temperatures here been jumping from 84 to 68. Right now it's at 72. And you just slightly touch the dial and it's either on or it's off. There's way too much of a swing in the heat. So what I went and did, went and bought a single pole for 120 volt thermostat for like a baseboard heater. I don't need a double pole. Double pole just means that when you turn it down to 0, it actually clicks, shuts off. No matter what the temperature is, it will never come back on. Single pole shuts on and off with temperature, like a basic one. So we ended up following schematics. All you basically need to do is cut one line. This is the power cord, 120 volt to the wall. So you leave one solid that goes straight from the wall to the heater, cut your other one and run it to T1 and what is it here? T2, L1 and LT1. So line and thermostat. So basically I cut one side, hooked it into it, it goes through your thermostat, comes out the other side, and then over to your power, or over to your heater. Doesn't matter what kind of heater it is, thermostat doesn't know if it's a baseboard, forced air, house furnace, block heater, whatever. So, I've wired it all up. Let's test it out. Oh, and what I did, I got two settings here. Just the fan, 750 watt or 1500 watt would be up at the 2. So I'm trying to save a little power. I took my thermostat, the internal, crank it full. Then we go over to my external. I've got it down right now. Let's see if it works. Oh, we have power. Red light comes on in the middle. Fan's blowing. Heat's coming out. So this is giving me about, I don't know, 18 degrees or so. Yeah, around there, 17, 18. Now I put it out here. I'm going to mount it to my wall. And then I'll have to compensate because it won't read the same as what it is in here. The thermostat would need to be in the same room. But I'm still going to be damn close. And what I'm going to do, I'll just get an extension cord so that the thermostat and the heater can be in the same room. But I don't want to do too much of that screwing stuff to my walls quite yet because I do want to get the temp. And this is just temporary to keep these girls happy. That one's doing pretty good. But with this temperature flux, I haven't had any growth now since I got my first set of serrated leaves. And then this one here, a little trouble getting out of his helmet. I had to help him out, so some of the leaves got a little fucked up. Cotyledons or whatever those round ones are called. This first set of serrated, and then that set, this set here seemed to be quite wider, more like an indica thing. They're both from bag seed, comatose, coma, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to label 1, 2, and 3 and see how they grow, and start dialing this this heat in.